Hello everyone, hope so you are doing well. Welcome back to another new video. In this video I'll show you how to fix speaker problem in Honor X7E. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and just watch our complete video.